Hello people, this is for a mobile 3D print station. I just joined a 3D printing club, however I don't have a place to put it, but I'd still be able to reach it. So this is my solution, made from shelves I couldn't reach in my IKEA wardrobe. Trying to make it from stuff I already have. Transfer the centre line to the outside so I know where to drill for the fixings. The storage box needs to be sturdy. The printer is heavy, it's 15 kilos or 33 pounds plus 8 kilos, 18 pounds for filament storage. Quick test fit, it's perfect. A 3mm pilot hole. I already had a trolley made from kitchen worktop and heavy duty casters from Screwfix. So I was to put it on a workbench or a countertop. I'm not going to be able to get access to the top, which you do need at some point. So up about that height would be perfect. I had some speaker box cloth to cover the trolley. Scrapey. I struggle with its weight. I can't lift it, only wiggle it early a little bit. Using no nonsense spray contact adhesive, also from Screwfix. Apply to the board and the felt. Can't reach. I wish it was a little bit taller, y'all. Sticky, sticky. Wrinkle fire by stretching. Just stretching it and then sticking it on the tacky glue. There they are. Sticky, sticky. Let's have a quick look what it looks like from the front. Lovely. I pre-drilled the mounting holes while waiting for the new felt. Next day, the new felt arrived from Amazon. Sticky. Quick trim up dodgy blade skills and then screw it to the dolly. Now the sketchy part, need 2 pairs of gloves for this. So, the problem I have now is that's too heavy for me to lift, but I need to get out there. A sensible thing would be to ask someone for help. But I think I'll be able to shimmy onto that one and then shimmy it onto that one. I hope. Without damaging it. Well, we're about to find out. I have used this method before, but it hasn't always been successful. Let's see. Oh, I like the sound of that. What is that? What was that noise? Well, stage 1 complete. Hopefully that horrible noise wasn't anything important. Yikes. Okay. Yes, I know I should ask for help, but where's the fun in that? Try again. Oh, good. Oh, this is sketch. Oh, don't like this. What is that noise? It's on. I don't know what that noise was. Let's have a look underneath. Right, I'm going to investigate that. Although it's not ideal being up there, it does mean I can get to the top. If it was on a workbench, the top would be up there, there's no way I'd be able to get to that. So, I think this might need some locking wheels though, and the filaments fit nicely underneath. Right, I'm going to investigate that horrible noise. First prints on the flash forward AD5X, not sponsored. I paid under £400 with filaments. I've got to say, excellent value for money. Overall, comment below if you think it was worthwhile. Here are the dimensions if you're interested in making one. It's 46.5 centimeters or 18.3 inch by 24 centimeters for the height, 9.4 inch, and 35 centimeters or 13.7 inch for the depth. It's also in the description. There's a 4cm or 1.5 inch overhang on the width. It's not really necessary, although it does improve stability by keeping the weight directly over the wheels. I used a swivel caster at the front and fixed ones at the back. And a 2cm or 0.7 inch on the depth. Here's some AD5X action. This is my largest print so far. It's about 3.5 hours. Early signs are it's a very capable printer and very reasonably priced. Again, not sponsored. Please subscribe and thanks for watching.